Last stage, we watched the React loop spin, thought, action, observation, repeat, but every spin resends the whole conversation to the model. So here's the question. If the model rereads everything each turn, what should we even let it see? Start with the hard truth. The context window is finite and it gets worse before it's full. Recall degrades while there's still room left. Why? Two reasons. Attention is order n squared. Every token has to relate to every other token. So the more you add, the thinner that budget spreads. And models were trained on far more short text than long text. So their long range memory is just weaker. So context is a budget, not a bucket. The discipline is called context engineering. Curate the smallest set of high signal tokens that gets the answer. And do it again, fresh every single turn. There's a clean way to think about the moves. Write things out of the window. Select what's relevant back in. Compress what you keep. Isolate work into separate sub-agents. 4 levers, 1 window. Let's watch the window actually get built. Picture an assembly line that runs once per turn, feeding one finished context block into the model. First station, the system prompt and memory files, the standing rules, then tool definitions, the menu of what the model can do. Next, retrieved documents and the running conversation history. This is the part that grows turn after turn, and it's where rot creeps in. Now the two valves. Compaction is reversible. It strips raw tool output that still exists on disk and leaves a pointer behind. The lightest version is tool result clearing. Once you've used a tool's output, drop the bytes. Claude Code does exactly this, around 167,000 tokens, then reattaches the 5 most recently read files so the agent doesn't lose its place. Summarization is the other valve, and it's lossy. It replaces old turns with a model written summary. Goose fires this automatically at 80% of the window. Codex CLI does something clever and ships back an encrypted compaction blob so the model keeps its understanding without keeping the raw text. And the third arm, the just-in-time grabber. Instead of preloading the repo, the agent holds lightweight references, file paths, named, sizes, and pulls the real bytes only when it needs them. Claude Code's glob and grep are this arm in action. Read the index, fetch on demand. But a window you clear every turn forgets everything between sessions. Next episode, how a stateless model grows a memory, the write, manage, read loop,